In discovering new places, pause a little. It's the perfect time to let go of your worries and just feel the presence of nature. These wide ranges of lush trees and flowing waters are blessings to every wandering eye. Grabe! Feels like a dream to be surrounded by everything nature has to offer. Find its beauty sparkle even more through the beginning of the new season. I am your travel hati, Rodniel. Don't just stop over, come take a look closer and learn the stories of this precious landlocked town better dito sa Ganda Mo, Pangasinan!